Peace is expected to finally reign in what was known in decades as an unsafe sitio in Makilala, Cotabato. We'll have the full report from Vicky de Guzman.
Complicated and unsafe. This could probably how people describe their locality in Makilala, Cotabato decades ago due to the fight over territories. But yesterday, a hope to change the past was ignited. After years spent on negotiation between the two parties involved in the said conflict over the land at Sitio Lacube, Barangay Malabuan, Makilala, and because of the intervention of the local government, it paved way for a solution. A signing ceremony on the agreement per farm allocation was conducted yesterday that was headed by the provincial governor Emalu Lala Mendoza. Witnesses on the said ceremony were the Department of Agrarian Reform Secretary Virgilio de los Reyes, Makilala Mayor Rudes Kawagdan, and other local officials. The Baclid clan representative Dato Tox Baclid and the farmers' beneficiaries representative Danny Liup signed the said memorandum of agreement. Mayor Kawagdan and Governor Mendoza gave their messages to the Sitio Lacube residents.
Sa mga maglalagda ng memorandum of agreement, patuloy nating tatandaan na sa pag-uusap mayroon tayong makakagisnan na resulta, and andito ang gobyerno natin handang tumulong para sa kapakanan ng mga tao naman natin.
Ang importante po, ngayon, kayo na mga Talacobe ay nagkakaintindihan. The signing today, the President of the Secretary is just a ang importante yung ma-distribute na ng mga landholdings para makausap na tayo.
Meanwhile, Secretary de los Reyes said the programs intended for the residents and for the farmers.
Tulad ng lahat ng lupain sa Pilipinas na may problema o may kapapamahagi lang, ito ay bahagi ng ating utos ng ating Pangulo na siguraduhin natin na halos magkasabay yung pamamahagi ng lupa. Kasabay din yung pasok ng support services. Pero hindi mag-isa ang dating naririto ng Department of Agriculture, Department of Agrarian Reform, at napakahalaga yung ating local government units, yung probinsya at saka munisipyo.
Included in the Department of Agrarian Reform proposed programs are Agrarian Production Credit Program, Agribusiness on Rubber Production, Agribusiness on Coffee Production, Cattle Breeding, Goat Production, LGU Rubber Production, and more. The local officials and residents at Sitio Lacube, Barangay Malabuan, Makilala are hoping that after decades of fighting over this territory, the signing of agreement will bring them peace. For People's Television, Vicky de Guzman.